In this video, we will discuss about properties of materials. We have different types of properties of materials like appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, float or sink, and last one, transparency. Let's discuss about third one, soluble or insoluble. To understand this property, let's take some solid substances such as sugar, salt, chalk, powder, sand, and sawdust. Take a glass or beaker for each one of them and fill those with water up to two-thirds. Then add all those substances in each beaker one by one with stirring. You will observe something in those beakers. You will notice that some substances have completely disappeared or dissolved in water. We can say that these substances are soluble in water. Other substances which do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time, those substances are insoluble in water. The objective of this video was to know about soluble and insoluble materials.